Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So today I will be talking about how to select and make your team better, which is the suggestion I received from one of my subscriber Priya Singh. So let's get into that. So if you are new to the channel, just subscribe it and watch the video till the end. So relating to the right people, start with the hiring as well. If you want the people in the right attitude, right learning for a particular role, integrity and capability of the candidate for the future success. These criteria may be differ from role to role, manager to manager, company to company, but the major thing will remain the same. Set clear team goals when you're talking about improving teamwork in workplace. The importance clearly defined objectives can't be overstated. Teamwork is basically impossible in an environment where no one is sure what the team is working towards. You need to be sure that everyone on every team is on the same page, and obviously stop micromanaging your team. The team should feel like standalone units, even they contribute to the larger organization goals. If you don't give your team some degree of autonomy, they won't work as collectively because they always be waiting for the orders to be issued from the top management. As is possible, let's teams set their own deadline, develop their own workflows, and work out their own issues. Talk less and listen more is the quality of a good manager should be. There will be always give and take on teams, but giving and taking eventually has to balance out, or reassessment will build up and work will be slow down. Ensure your company culture reward listeners as much as speakers and set a good example by being listener yourself. You can also give those ideas and options would ordinarily be drowned on a by voice of encouraging people to share outside of the meeting, like on an employee app blink during open hour doors or town hall. Mediate disputes. Some companies approach conflict resolution with a wait and see approach, but that does not work well for a team members dispute because the dispute can quickly grow into serious issues that interfere with projects. It is necessary for the team member to address them proactively. Ensure interpersonal conflict are written and bring in mediator as required to keep tough issues between the colleagues. Ask your team member for feedback. Knowledge is the power, so if you want to know where your workforce is when it comes to teamwork, why not just ask them? Soliciting feedback does not have to be complicated or time consuming. You can create a poll in an employee app like Blink or do a short interview with the team members to see how their projects are coming along. Just be sure you are committed to taking the feedback seriously. Create a mentor program. Team members will work together more effectively when they feel connected. Create a mentor program that pairs new team members with the company's veteran, promotes cohesiveness and smoother collaboration. Have a open door policy, build trust. An open door policy in place sets the precedent that anyone can ask question, voice concern, and pitch any idea at any time. This is an important part of building trust within your team. Making management inaccessible send the message to the lower level employees that they are not valuable. Keep the doors of communication always open and crucial. Be clear about the task so everyone knows their responsibility. No one can effectively complete an assignment if they are unsure of what tasks they are responsible for. So the friends, watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. Then make sure that entire team knows the scope of the projects and each team member is clear about exactly what is expected of them. Here are few of the communicate individually task responsibility. Point out individual strength and use them well. Keep in mind that not everyone prefers to communicate in the same ways. Visual people tend to prefer written forms of communication, email, or cloud-based software, while auditory people benefit from a phone call or a video chat or a face-to-face meeting. As we are now moved back to office, so face-to-face physical meeting is really possible. Realizing that everyone is different not only allows for better communication. It sends down message to the team member that you value them as an individual and recognize which form of communication work best for your team. A team member who feels valued is a team member willing to go above and beyond for the company at any given time. Take ownership of mistake. The best managers are those managers that can relate to their employees. That includes owning up to the decision and errors that makes and admitting when you could have done something different. Everyone make mistakes, so by confessing your flaws you are showing your employees that you are just as human as they are. By utilizing some of one of those tips, you can bring your team together, improve communication, and generally make the workplace a more enjoyable and stress-free place to be there. This factor leads to an improvement in project quality, better control over the normal budgets, and increased satisfaction from the client. When the workplace becomes second home for most of us and the co-worker became the second family, cohesiveness translate the team to bring the most productive. So friends, if you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up, subscribe it and share it and comment it. Till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.